3 boxes with no.
Charles, are you taking 32?
Good morning. It's 8:30, and today we're going to the beach. But before the beach, we're gonna get a nasty back day with Dill and Ethan, bruh. And then we're gonna go hit the beach after, mog a little bit. You already know. I already have my oat bowl. Now I'm just waiting to get picked up, and we're heading to La Playa. Let's go. We're like damn near at the beach. We're gonna drop the girls off, and then we're gonna go to the gym. But there's been a change of plans. This man Ethan decided he's gonna get two toast. Ethan's not coming. Me and Dill are gonna kill this back day, and then we're gonna go to the beach without Ethan. We got the Boulevard shades on. They just got these, so hey, let me know if this is tough or not. Same thing with the headband, bro. Y'all gotta let me know. Finish up here at Lowell while waiting on Dill to get some pre-workout food. He didn't have some good old oats like me, you know. And I got a banana for right before. We're locked. All right, we're at the gym. We're at the gym, bro. New location, new map. So let's go find this place out. It's $12 day pass, pretty cheap. Let's find out if this place is a chud or not, and then we're gonna go mog the beach after, bro. And I've already won a raid. I need to win one more. So whenever this goes off, pop it in there. Hopefully it's nothing too difficult. Waiting on Dill to get out the baño, so while I wait, hopping on that Pokemon Go, bro. Oh shit, let's go. Hey, Chimchar, it's not too shabby. One-handed, left-handed. Oh. Just so y'all know I'm goated, bro. I won't be able to recreate that. I'm glad he got caught in the first one. Starting off with some T-bar row. Man, this place ain't better than Southern Strength though, I'll tell you that. This is the real tell here. If this is heavy, then we're cooked. Ooh. Yeah, don't miss the hook, bro. Let's catch this real quick, bro. Let's fucking go, bro. How you feeling after that?
That was pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie.
Would have had 4 more plates on that bad boy.
That was pretty pathetic, bro.
No, it's not, bro. This is tough. Good. Moral of the story, don't let people record for you, bro. This guy just didn't want to show me hitting that shit for 11, bro.
Didn't happen, never happened.
So look at this thing. You already know we're about to load this thing up and ego lift a little bit. Dude, that's all Latimus.
Let's go.
All right, we got 2 on there. Dill's the first to go up. He's gonna let us know if this is good or not. Hey, bro, you're moving that pretty light, bro. Are you sure there was 2 plates on there?
Might have to go to 3.
There's some more stimulus to be made.
Yeah, that's not enough.
Main thing with these, we're trying to sweep the elbow down and really get that contraction. I have no idea what this guy's doing. We're dropping to a plate. Are we dropping to a plate? Dropping? You just dropped the weight.
Oh shit, I thought I put it.
Bust out the wraps, bro. This shit got heavy way too quick. Yep. Holy sets, bro.
Good. You happy now?
Yes, bro, I'm happy now, bro.
Alright, get to work.
Bro, I have no idea how you made that look so easy.
That looks pretty easy, bro.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except the reality.
Man, what a cue on Ox, bro.
I don't say the thinking is bad. Like everything else I say, we use science. The real world.
No, this got progressive overloads.
Alright, here we go. I'm recording this time. Oh yeah, this is like an edit. Oh yeah.
I was scared I was gonna fall over.
You won't fall over, bro. I'm keeping a close eye.
Thanks, bro.
You're safe with me, bro.
Protecting me.
Yeah.
Got an upper back row hidden right here. So let's see if this shit's optimal. See, it doesn't even move up. Yeah, bro, that's it.
I don't know if I'm a fan of this, bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, we could just do the other machine. It was worth a shot. That machine right there is what we're looking at right here. So if they approve, then it must be good. We're gonna feel like Dorian Yates after this.
I don't even know how to use this, I'm not gonna lie.
It's like Love Island out here, bro. We're just exploring connections. And so far we've had 0. Dorian Yates, I don't know what you were on, son. That shit low-key buns. Do some upper back rows on the cable with a straight bar. Good old fashioned Mr. Handsome already getting it started. What is up with all these seats being like, bro, you're damn near on the floor.
Oh. Not too shabby.
He's dialed in. Y'all gotta get like this. Good form builds great physiques. Back seen through the shirt, bro? Who is this guy? Mr. Baki Hanma? Oh, tapped in Kelser shrug. Hey, bro, I saw that tapped in Kelser, bro. Fuck.
Looking pretty swole down there, little guy.
Time to move on to some biceps. Trying to get handsome. So we're gonna rip these preacher curls. Already got Senior Dill on the preach. And then we're gonna hit one more bicep after this with some belts. Just to get handsome before the beach, you know. A little performativeness. Yep. Perfect body mechanics on this now.
Oh yeah. Welcome to the gun show.
My deodorant got all over that. I'm gonna have to put a fucking sweater on it. I haven't done preachers in forever, so we're gonna see what weight we get to. I'm just trying to really feel the biceps. Let's see it. Oh yeah, full contraction, bro. Fucking dialed in, bro. Holy goat, bro. Let's go. I got distracted. I was looking at myself in the mirror. You did 99 pounds on this? Holy shit.
Oh, they were grinder reps. Let's freaking go, bro. Let's rep out these freaking reps right now. Oh yeah.
Sleeves up. Bro, this guy's looking hella fucking handsome right now.
I gotta get one with the guns out.
Yep. Good. That's a fucking boss right there. That's a boss right there.
Yeah, all over the place. One rep for each Sun Cruiser.
About to do a million reps.
That's at least a few Sun Cruisers.
Hey, I think I deserve a block. My bad, bro, my bad. We need the sleeves up for the next set. How do you know Dylan just got on Ox? Challenge impossible. Well, sleeves coming up. I'm hyped for this set. Ooh.
But they got no posing room here.
No, this actually looks crazy. Strict ass form, good ass form. I'm telling you, good form, great Zeke. That's just what happens. Oh, dude, you look crazy right there. Yep, look at that. Not pulling through his traps, just pushing his hands apart. Pushing his hands apart like there's a band in between his hands. That's how you fucking do it. Bro, textbook right here. Workout's done, you already know. Took the tarp off. Time to get some posing in. Hopefully we look handsome. This is a fucking Chad, bro. Tarp not even on yet and I already got the boulevards on, bro. I'm fucking tapped in. I'm ready for the beach now. Time to get some grub though. We got a Pulix Max. They're already so handsome. Holy Chad. Listening to some ads, it's lit, but workout's done. Me and Dill hit the good old Superman and fucking changed in the bathroom. Like, we got the post-workout with the creatine in here already.
This is what we're getting today.
We're drinking strictly Sun Cruisers. It's a 1 box challenge. We're at the pub and it's time to do a little camera magic. Let's hold our hands out and we're gonna have fucking 3 boxes with, no. All right, there you go, just like that. It's just that easy, bro. We just spawned them in. Gotta match them with the shirt, bro. At the beach now, finally. This shit's fucking packed, bro. We already ate a little fucking ground beef sushi shit, and now it's time to take a little dip. The first one is being cracked.
My hair is so crazy. Look at this. Look at this.
Hey, we've been out here for a little bit now.
That's 12.
4 brews have been had. We're halfway there. We're at that halfway mark.
When we get back to the house.
This is number 5 and 6.
I'm excited though.
Dill got his over there. Dill, how you feeling? We at that halfway mark, son? Feeling hella handsome?
This is my 3rd one.
Hey, she got her
Yeah, with the preem hat.
on.
Preem hat.
She's tough. Or whatever.
Holy aura.
Or whatever.
Oakley bag too.
Strictly
Bro, is this fucking thrifted, dude?
$9. Best $9
Dude,
ever.
$9 fucking dollars, huh?
I like this.
Well, it's 5 o'clock right now. We're on 7 and 8 in here.
I picked Darren. It's
Feeling
to
pretty
break up with your
solid.
boyfriend.
Got everything tied together right now, so we're not looking too shabby. We're playing a little drinking game.
Who's the greediest person in the room?
Everyone's greedy.
Gosh.
Who's the greediest?
My bad.
How about we just take a sip because we're on the vlog right now.
Alright, I'll pick up
There you go,
the
fellas.
ants and take a sip.
Handsome Nation, we just all sit for y'all. So,
Now it's your turn too.
all right, this is the game we're playing. Truth or dare? How are we feeling?
Truth.
We're feeling hella dairy. Whoa! Run your hands through my hair and give me a Whoa! Give me a 2-minute head massage.
Why do you keep getting massaged?
Whoa! I like these. These truth or dares are not tough.
No more massages.
Yeah, Dylan. No, I don't want to give you a massage still. We're done. The case race is over. That was pretty easy. Dylan's over there done with his. All 8 have been crashed. I mean, what's next? If we get more brews. Tacos are being made.
Rock.
I feel like tequila is a must. That's what I'm saying. You're fucking locked in. Double T, tequila, taco. We're ready to go. Beachington, done. We're walking back to the car, and then we're gonna go make some tacos tonight. And you already heard me earlier. The double T's, taco, tequila, they go hand in hand, you know? So, I'm ready to get back to the crib. Hold on. Leaving the beach after the 8 brews. I'm feeling pretty handsome right now, some would say. I'm also feeling kind of fat though. We're on the way back home now. Bill, how you feeling back here?
Pretty good.
That case race was too damn easy. 8 brews. I remember my first beer too. I had a little Sammy. So, I think we're ready for more brews. Yes, the shades are still on. What time is it? 9:20. We just got the brew. This is the cheapest tequila they got. Little Jose Cuervo. Holy, these just got added to the lineup. And then we got La Cuervo. Here we got it. The fucking 2 tacos, bro. Some steak, cheese, lettuce, guac. This is about to go down. A couple drinks were had, so feeling pretty good. Hey, it's on now.
What do you want, liquor? What's up, gang?
John, why are you over here tooted up? This is like shot number 8 or some shit. We're doing like meth.
I'm a good boy.
Look at the UFC room.
Oh gosh.
That did not go down easy.
Be like, I'll pull like an air bubble.
All right, another one.
John, how many shots have you taken?
Like 32,
We've
33?
taken the same amount of
do
shots.
not believe that.
We've taken the same amount of shots. Okay, I took 42. Ho.
No, I've taken 3.
I believe John, honestly.
Yeah.
Some would say.
Nobody likes liars.
What's up, Handsome Nation? Subscribe, like, comment, share for this buddy right here.
Fucking dog, bro.
Right here.
No, I'm good.
No.
I didn't think you actually wanted to see it.
Everyone out.
Here. Got it. Good job.
Just hates the vlog.
Congrats
All
to
right.
Harvey.
Now we're gonna go in on Harvey. He said he was how many shots in?
I don't know. Like I think 1. Oh fuck. Dude, what the, who put that there? Why did you put that there? If it isn't the man.
Type shit. All the brews have been had. There's nothing left for tonight, so.
The camera's
We're
laid down
done.
here, I'm recording.
Come on, bro. Alright, well, it's the morning after. As y'all saw, it was fucking lit. We had a legendary crossover. We had Dill and Johnster. It was lit. Safe to say we did some damage. I hope y'all enjoyed. More to come. And you already know. Stay locked in. Stay tuned in. And stay handsome.